We drove nearly 5 hours from Vancouver to get here. No crowds, no city noise, just forest, mountains, lakes, and some of BC's most famous waterfalls. This is the day 2 of our Clearwater adventure, and today we are exploring why this place is known as the waterfall capital of BC. We spent the night at Alpine Meadows Resort, tucked away in the wilderness just outside Clearwater. Our little log cabin became home for the next few days. Honestly, waking up here felt like stepping into another world. The resort sits beside Hallamore Lake, and one of the best parts is that guests can use canoes, paddle boards, life jackets, and everything you need completely free. This ended up being one of our favorite moments of the trip. No schedules, no rush, just the 4 of us enjoying the lake surrounded by nature. Mom and Dad absolutely loved it, and honestly, so did we. But as peaceful as the lake was, Clearwater is famous for something else. Some of the biggest and most impressive waterfalls in British Columbia. So it was finally time to see what all the hype was about. So अभी हम आए हैं Clearwater market में थोड़ा, and we are here to just charge our car, and then we'll also grab something. It felt like, I don't know, I was living in very like foresty kind of area. Obviously we were, and now the small market even feels like very romanticizing, kind of market. Even Tim Hortons is making me happy. And after we get some food from here, we'll just go back to our cottage. We drove here to Clearwater Market. We are here to charge our EV since we don't have a charging spot at the resort. So we drove here, and I'm here at Tim Hortons. I just got my coffee, and it really feels like finally I'm in between humans, because we were not seeing like anyone in that resort because it's obviously in the forest. और यहाँ पे मेरे को इतनी खुशी हो रही है कि लोग दिख रहे हैं, कि market, oh wow. And even I'm romanticizing Tim Hortons. I don't like Tim Hortons honestly, but yeah, here I'm liking it, and it's a very nice trip. I will say we are living in a pure nature at its best. And after grabbing a coffee from Tim Hortons, we are going to a grocery store to get some groceries for tonight so that we can have dinner peacefully. और हमें वो restaurant में Canadian खाना ना खाना पड़े. Am I right? We already have marinated chicken, so we have got marinated chicken from our home only. And we are just getting some things vegetarian because Mama is vegetarian. So let's see. And थोड़ा बहुत fruits ले लेंगे. I'm at grocery store. So now we are on the trails to Spahat Falls, and this is in Clearwater, British Columbia. Let's see how are the falls. And this was a small viewpoint here we just saw. There is more trail ahead, तो वो भी हम लेंगे. But उससे पहले मैं आपको ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ पे there are this table and benches for picnic as well. तो कनाडा में सारे जगह पे जहाँ पे मतलब ऐसे व्यू पॉइंट्स होते हैं, they have this kind of setup. आप पिकनिक पे भी जा सकते हो, पिकनिक कर सकते हो, खाना खा सकते हो, अपने फैमिली के साथ जा सकते हो. So it's like a 2 minutes walk literally to the falls. एक बेंच आ गया फिर से. अगर तुम थक गए हो तो थोड़ा बैठ जाओ. मैं नहीं थकी, बट फिर भी आई कैन सिट थोड़ा. So we just viewed the beautiful Spahat Falls. Now let's go to our next destination. So the canyons that was around this falls, they were formed by the volcanic lava. It was amazing, right, Gaurav? And it is a very long fall. It's a like very deep one we have ever seen. है ना? Now we are at our second destination, almost towards the end of the Wells Grey Provincial Park, and we are at the Hemken Falls. Let's go check it out. And here also they have benches and tables for picnic. It's a very wonderful experience to watch such falls. And they're so deep, and every falls they look different. We are about to reach the viewpoint. Beautiful. This is the best falls I have ever seen in my life. Let's check this falls out, Hemken Falls in Clearwater and in Wells Grey Provincial Park. I mean, look at this. This is so beautiful. Look at these canyons, like they are made from the volcanic lava only. Okay, so this is our third destination of the day and third falls for the day. So Clearwater is like the falls capital of BC, and we are now at Dawson Falls. Let's check it out. And I just read it that this is called the Little Niagara of BC. साइड पे रोड चल रही है, इस तरफ फॉरेस्ट है, तो ये वाली जो ट्रेल है, it's 5 minutes to the falls. We are walking and walking. Oh my God! This is a third different type of falls. Alrighty, it's time to check out, and we have already kept our things in the car. बस निकलने लगे हैं, and I will miss this log house. So we stayed in this for 2 days, and it was a wonderful time with family, with everyone. We will miss you, this log house, and Alpine Meadows Resort has so many things to do. It's a must visit for you guys. Do check it out. I hope I am useful for you guys, like my information. It came out to be useful. Do plan your trip here. It's an all-season resort. In snow, it will have a different view, and then in summers, I am sure that it would be the on-season time. Falls is very beautiful, of course. So yeah, we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.
Hi guys, do like and subscribe Samruti with GK channel.